Just doing a real quick video on the black 9-inch polycarbonate flat grip tongs. Just so you can be able to quickly see them. But the cool thing about these tongs, these black 9-inch tongs, is they're versatile. You can use this for many things. For example, right here, I have my green beans that I've dehydrated. Now instead of sticking my hands in there, because the bad thing about when you dehydrate is you shouldn't really put your hands inside of it because you have oil on it. So these work really, really nicely because I can easily go inside the bag, grab some of my green beans, and I can easily be able to put some inside of a tray. Just wanted to be able to show you how the precision, how you can easily be able to pick it up and you can be able to use it. It's really nice. Oops. I'm rushing. But you see? Thank you so much for watching.